Hello and welcome to the channel. How many of us have landed in a new country? We have no internet connections and we don't like to use the public Wi-Fi because of security reasons, and we also don't want to be charged ridiculously for the roaming charges. I know I have been so many times until I recently discovered the Revolut eSIM feature. My goodness, it's a game changer. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how I now stay connected easily and affordably every time we travel, and I'll also walk you through exactly how to set it up right there in your rate. And I'm sure if you have never heard about this, you will be blown away. This is how I was like, how did I not know this? I was so blown away, and I don't think I'm gonna ever spend time and waste money looking for local SIMs every time we travel in a place, especially outside Europe. It's a game changer. So without me rambling, let's just dive right into it. So what exactly is a Revolut eSIM? Well, I was exactly like you, to be honest. I had no idea what the heck it was. Basically, a Revolut eSIM is a digital SIM card that you can activate right in the Revolut app. By the way, it's data only, so no calls or texts, and it works in over 100 countries. So if you're someone who travels a lot or you just want to avoid high roaming fees, it's super handy. Okay, I know probably you're asking, okay, why is this great? To be honest, it's great for so many reasons. One, you don't need to swap SIM cards. It works instantly as soon as you land, and it's often cheaper than buying a local SIM card, especially for these short trips. For example, here in Portugal, I've been using it for our time being while we scout the country, and it's been super smooth and reliable. I have no complaints, and I cannot believe I did not know about this. I don't know if it was new. Let me know in the comments if you knew, if you are a Revolut user and you knew about this feature. I was blown away when I discovered. Now I'm going to show you how to find it and set it up right there on your Revolut app. So I'm gonna switch my attention to my computer or on the other screen, so let's go. Okay, so let me show you exactly how to find and set it up on your Revolut app. I've done a little demonstration on the screen here just to show you how to find and set it up. It's pretty easy. Once you open your Revolut app, tap on the search bar, search eSIM, and you see the eSIM dashboard pop up. And once you are there, you can check if your country is available, browse plans, and buy data. Once you activate, just follow the phone's prompt to install it. It takes about 2 minutes and it's pretty easy, and you'll be good to go. And of course, you have to have some money in your Revolut card because you have to pay using the money that is in your account. So just make sure you already have money in your account. And as I can see now, they have even introduced data minutes as low as £3 and all that. So it's so cost effective. Honestly, I just wish I knew about it. I'm not sure if it's a new feature, like I keep saying. Let me know if you knew this existed from way back. I've had Revolut for over almost 4 years now, and I didn't know this feature existed. So for me, this is like a game changer. Okay, so I have some tips based on my experience on how you can use the Revolut eSIM feature much more effectively. First, make sure that your phone supports eSIM before you buy or you start activating or topping up. And secondly, make sure it works best if you're trying to activate. It works best if you're connected to Wi-Fi. So make sure that before you start activating your eSIM using this Revolut feature, you are connected to Wi-Fi. I've had issues sometime when I am trying to activate and it just didn't work, but this was not such a big deal. I think it's just a thought. It's something that I observed based on my experience. Maybe others have experienced it's much easier. Let me know in the comments if you have used, if it was so easy. And for example, for me here in Portugal, I've always had like 4G internet connection, and it has been super fantastic. It works seamless as it would work if I am using just my normal internet connection. To be honest, it's super fantastic, and I was just like, how did I not know about this? So for me, as someone who is still using like UK SIMs while I'm in EU, this is super handy because trust and believe I am using network from the UK, and they charge quite high for the roaming charges. They're like, I think £2 something per day for just like, it's ridiculous. So when I discovered this was like a game changer, and it's blew my mind away. So I hope you have learned something from this video and you are going to give it a go, and let me know in the comments if you have used the Revolut eSIM feature. I would be so glad to hear what are your thoughts or your exit, guys, from today's video. Let me know in the comments if you have used Revolut eSIM or you're planning to, and if you are looking for more budget travel tips and guides like this, check out my blog adventureswithjane.com. The link is in the description, and if you like this video, give it a like and subscribe to the channel so that next time when I upload such kind of travel tips and guides, you will be the first person to be notified. Until next time, I'll see you in the next travel vlog. Bye.